Assalamu alaikum. Myself is Zia. I am studying in 8C in Government Urdu High School, Sirsi.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zia Khanam. I am studying in 8th standard. In this model, we are going to explain the geometrical meaning of a cubic number. This is a cube with length 1 unit, breadth 1 unit, and height 1 unit. The volume of this cube is 1 cubic unit. That's why cube of 1 is 1. This is a cube with length 2 unit, breadth 2 unit, and height 2 unit. The volume of this cube is 8 cubic unit. That's why cube of 2 is 8. This is a cube with length 3 unit, breadth 3 unit, and height 3 unit. The volume of this cube is 27 cubic unit. That's why cube of 3 is 27. These are 27 unit cubes. Thank you.
Thus, we understood relationship between the arithmetic and geometry through this explanation of cubic numbers geometrically. Thank you.